For those of you out there who are struggling at the moment, and I think there's no one who isn't, I'm here to tell you that art, creating art, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, is the most powerful antidote to anxiety. Firstly, you get all of what is going on in your head out onto the paper, which you can see in my work over here. And it's meditative. While you're working, you don't think about anything else, or it's really difficult to create art and be thinking about a million other things. So I'm here to support you in all of the classes and private, public, online, Facebook, YouTube classes that I give is all about supporting your process and your creativity through mindful mixed media work. So I hope you can join us.